Welcome to the channel. In today's quick and interesting video, I'll show you how to watch adult content on both YouTube and Facebook. To make it work, you'll need to adjust a few settings on each platform. So without any delay, let's get started. Let's start with Facebook. Open up the Facebook app on your Android phone, then tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down to the bottom, tap Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Settings. Scroll down again. Find the Content Preferences. Tap on it. Then tap on Sensitive Content. If the Show Less option is selected here, it means you'll see fewer or no adult videos on Facebook, like if your child uses the phone. Select Show Less option. Select Show Less to prevent adult videos from appearing. On the other hand, if you want to watch adult videos on Facebook, choose the default option and tap Save, and then tap OK to confirm it. Now let's see how to do it on YouTube. Open up the YouTube app on your Android phone. Next, tap on your profile picture below, or it might appear on the top right. Tap on it, then tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. After that, tap General. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the restricted mode. If you see that the restricted mode is toggled on, then simply toggle it off. If the setting is enabled, the adult videos are blocked on YouTube. Keep it enabled if your child uses the phone. But if you want to watch adult videos on YouTube, turn on restricted mode. That's all for today. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye.